8616 Raindrop Canyon. So you have a little enclosure around the front door. Really beautiful landscaping. Want to trim those trees back from the property. This is built in 1999. 2,155 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 total baths. We have really beautiful custom plantation shutters. Those stained glass is just hanging on top of the normal windows, so you'd have to get a plantation shutter to match the others. So we have carpet and tile. It's a really beautiful tile. Wood planks. So we need a fridge, of course. Undermount sink with a gooseneck. And then we have the plantation shutter sliders. Oh, yeah, don't do that. Okay, I give up. Well, I guess I should go on.
How do you open this?
Leave them open or never close them. Okay.
Yeah, probably take those out.
Okay.
Here's the outside, but you can't get out.
Oh, there you go.
They just, you have to hold the thing up.
Oh,
You have to close them all, right? Otherwise you can't.
Other way, I would think.
Good job, good job. Yay!
Right, except it's good. Yeah. So take them together.
We're smart. Yeah, we're gonna find the string those.
It's very cute.
Oh, nice.
It is nice. I'll give you that.
So that's fake grass, which is good, just less landscaping for the backyard. Maybe we want to trim these trees back. It's a cute little area over there.
It looks like it should be a waterfall. Yeah. Maybe it is.
Watch.
Yeah, it's not working.
That's probably not
So this is the north side of the house. So this side really isn't going to get a lot of sun any time of the day. It's an interesting light.
Taylor.
Huh?
We're talking about this for some reason.
Oh,
That's a big jump, but it's kind of nice.
it's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an investment. What do you reckon this would be?
You know, I'm really not sure. That's why I didn't comp it myself. Because of the pool, it makes it really hard to comp there. I did take a shot at it, but I'm going to go ahead and get the property manager opinion with this video. I should have it tomorrow.
Yeah. It's a lot more, but I kind of like it.
It's really nice. I love the split level and the tile.
Yeah.
And the tile. And the yard. And the landscaping in the front, too.
That is amazing.
Yeah. Okay, so laundry is off of the garage. We have no garage opener on the 3rd, and we have a water softener. We almost never, we very, very rarely see garage door openers on the 3rd door, because it's usually used for storage here, since we don't have basements in Las Vegas. Nice upgraded mirror. Okay. Fluffy carpet.
Oh my God. Oh my
Oh. Well, at least they continued with the tile upstairs.
Yeah. Probably change these,
Yeah.
make it look a bit more less ugly. I mean, the fireplace itself is alright, it's just the stuff in it.
It's kind of nice that they have a separate door for the toilets.
Yes,
Just-
I like that.
Yes. It's just that you don't usually have those in properties of this age. Well, that's a nice custom closet.
Oh, I like that too.
Very efficient. I like that a
You
lot.
like this one?
Eric likes this one.
Because the yard?
Yeah, I like the outside of this one.
Yeah, it's very
Inside, the bedrooms are really tiny.
You could change that.
So we have a different tile in this bathroom. You could recaulk it, get a new shower rod, replace that toilet seat. Oh no, now I'm starting to see lots of changes in flooring. So this flooring cannot stay, obviously. And so maybe 100% repaint upstairs, maybe on the stairs itself as well. Okay, so it is nice to see custom built-ins in all of the closets. That's that.